Join me as I break down Kulr stock and try to uncover the best insights you won't want to miss. Kulr Technology Corp is a company that's been making waves in the tech industry, and today we're going to dive into what that means for investors. If you're looking for a deep dive into Kulr stock, including the challenges it's facing, key factors influencing its price, and what experts are predicting, you're in the right place. Kulr stock has been navigating through some tough market conditions lately. Market volatility seems to be one of the main hurdles, making it difficult for investors to predict its next move. This uncertainty can be attributed to various factors, including the company's relatively small size and its position within the tech industry, which can sometimes lead to larger fluctuations in stock price. Another challenge Kulr faces is competition. With numerous companies vying for dominance in the tech space, Kulr must continuously innovate to stay ahead. Regulatory issues also pose a risk, as changes in legislation can significantly impact the company's operations and, ultimately, its stock performance. The competitive landscape for Kulr is quite fierce, with several established players that have significant resources at their disposal. This competition can make it difficult for Kulr to gain market share, which in turn affects its stock price. Moreover, regulatory scrutiny is something that tech companies are increasingly facing, and Kulr is no exception. Any unfavorable regulatory changes could potentially hinder the company's growth and impact investor confidence. Understanding these challenges is crucial for investors, as they can significantly influence Kulr's stock performance. By keeping an eye on how the company addresses these issues, investors can make more informed decisions about their investments. It's also worth noting that while challenges exist, they also present opportunities for growth and innovation. The current market conditions and how Kulr navigates them will be critical to watch. The company's ability to adapt to changes and continue to innovate will likely play a significant role in its future success. When analyzing Kulr's stock price, there are several key factors to consider. Recent news surrounding the company can have a significant impact on its stock performance. For instance, any announcements regarding new product launches, partnerships, or financial reports can cause fluctuations in the stock price. Financial reports are particularly important, as they provide insight into the company's health and its ability to generate revenue and profit. Market trends also play a crucial role in determining Kulr's stock price. The overall performance of the tech industry can influence investor sentiment towards Kulr stock. If the industry is experiencing a downturn, it's likely that Kulr stock will be affected as well. Conversely, a booming tech sector can have a positive impact on Kulr's stock performance. Another factor to consider is the company's recent financial performance. Have they been meeting their revenue targets? Are they showing signs of growth? These are important questions for investors to consider when evaluating Kulr stock. The company's position within its niche and its potential for expansion are also critical factors. If Kulr is able to carve out a unique space for itself and continue to grow, this could bode well for its stock price. So, what's the most critical insight for Kulr stock right now? One key projection is that the company's innovative approach to technology could position it well for long-term success. Experts are keeping a close eye on Kulr's ability to scale and continue its growth trajectory. Upcoming events, such as earnings reports or product launches, could significantly affect its stock trajectory. The expert predictions are varied, but there's a general consensus that Kulr's ability to navigate current challenges will be crucial. If the company can successfully address these issues while continuing to innovate, there's potential for significant growth. Another critical insight is the importance of keeping an eye on regulatory changes and how they might impact Kulr's operations. Being proactive and adaptable will be key for the company's future success. The projections for Kulr stock are promising, but as with any investment, there are no guarantees. It's essential for investors to do their own research and consider their own risk tolerance. To recap, we've discussed the challenges facing Kulr stock, including market volatility, competition, and regulatory issues. We've also analyzed key factors influencing its price, such as recent news, financial reports, and market trends. The critical insights and projections for Kulr stock suggest a potential for long-term success, but emphasize the importance of staying informed. If you have any thoughts on Kulr stock or you're looking for more stock analyses, leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and check out another relevant video on our channel that you might find interesting.